Beautiful babes, we are halfway through February, and this is where your skin either gives up or it tightens up. From here on out, we are focusing on one thing: firmness. We're lifting cheeks, smoothing fine lines, tightening the neck, and waking up tired skin naturally. If you're 50, 60, or 70 plus, your skin isn't just dry, it's losing collagen. That's why your jawline starts relaxing, smile lines deepen, and your makeup stops sitting right. For the rest of February, we're doing a 2-week skin tightening challenge using simple ingredients from your kitchen. Let me give you this skin tightening facial. The ingredients you need is 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of honey. And if you don't have sensitive skin, you can add in 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice. Now here's what each of these ingredients will do. The egg white: natural temporary skin tightening, shrinks appearance of pores, gives immediate lifting effect, helps sagging jawline. The cornstarch smooths texture, absorbs oil, creates a soft filter look on mature skin, makes the skin feel firmer. Honey, a natural humectant, pulls moisture into the skin, helps fine lines look softer, adds glow and hydration. And the lemon juice, if you want to use it, it will help brighten dull skin, helps age spots look lighter, evens the skin tone. Now, to mix it up, just separate the egg white into a bowl. Whisk until slightly foamy. Add the cornstarch slowly, and then stir in the honey. And if you're using the lemon juice, just put in the lemon juice at this point. You want a light creamy paste, not watery. And to apply it, make sure you wash your face with warm water. Pat it dry and use a brush or your fingertips. Apply this mixture upward with upward strokes. Focus on your jawline, your neck, your smile lines, under your cheeks. It's very important that you do not talk while it dries. It will crack, and that's the tightening working. Leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes. You will feel pulling and tightening. This is normal. Do not leave it on any longer than that. Once it fully hardens, it has already done its job. Leaving it longer will only dry your skin. You can use this 3 times per week for 2 weeks, then 1 to 2 times weekly for maintenance. You will usually notice tighter cheeks, smoother makeup application, brighter skin within 5 to 7 days. And to remove the mask, all you have to do is rinse your face with lukewarm water. Soften mask first. Gently rinse. Do not peel off dry. Apply your moisturizer immediately. After rinsing, this is what you get: skin that feels firmer, pores look smaller, your face looks rested, your neck looks smoother. This is why people in the comments start saying, your face looks different, but I can't figure out why. Please come back in the comments and let me know that you tried this one and what your results are. I'll see you soon. Bye now.
I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide. Still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried, but looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you're back in town, let's shut it all down. It's Friday, baby, let's come back crazy.